Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, unfortunately, the US dollar yen is still within this range that we've been in for about a month and a half now. Definitely an extremely sideways rangy market, which normally I don't trade sideways markets like this. It definitely does look like the end of a WXY. If it is the end of a WXY, it needs to break this low right here to confirm that we are back into the higher time frame downtrend. We still don't have that break. And there's still no reason to think that maybe it couldn't just continue to veins, going all the way back up to the top of this channel. So definitely be careful. Some people like trading the highs and the lows of the range, so maybe that's the best thing to do in this circumstance. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't have a breaker structure, we don't have a higher low, so this move up right here could possibly be a pullback to this last wave down. So if you do see a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice breaker structure to the downside, you could try taking it as a short. But like I was saying on the 4 hour time frame, just playing the highs and the lows of this range that we're in on the 4 hour time frame is probably the best bet as of now. So definitely waiting for a good breakout on the higher time frames to confirm a more confirmed direction on the higher time frames, that is. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.